What if I told you that the reason most YouTube channels never grow has nothing to do with the quality of their videos? It has everything to do with how they research. I was stuck at the same subscriber count for months, posting consistently, trying my best, and getting absolutely nowhere. Then I started using Claude AI and everything changed. In this video, I am going to show you the exact research system I use, step by step, covering niche research, outlier video ideas, hot video topics with top-ranking keywords, and how to use Claude AI to write proven video scripts optimized to go viral without any guesswork. And these are not just theories. In the previous week alone using this exact system, my channel gained 52,000 views, 3,600 watch hours, 1,600 new subscribers, and $325 in revenue. That is what happened when I stopped guessing and switched from ChatGPT to Claude AI permanently. Here is the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Most creators spend 90% of their time making the video and about 10 minutes deciding what to make. That is completely backwards. The creators who are growing fast right now, even the ones with smaller channels, are winning because they know exactly what their audience is searching for before they ever hit record. And that is exactly what I am going to show you today. Also consider subscribing and turning on the bell icon because in my next video, I will show you how I use Claude Code to entirely edit my videos without opening a single video editing software. Now, without wasting any more time, let us dive straight into the tutorial. The first thing you need is a Claude account. Click the link in the description and sign up for free. I personally prefer the desktop version and there is a full installation tutorial linked in the description, but the web version works perfectly fine for this entire workflow and the free plan is all you need to get started. Now, in order for Claude to access your channel data and provide real-time YouTube information, you need to connect it to VidIQ. The link is also in the description. Once you have signed up and connected your YouTube channel to VidIQ, click on your profile, open account settings, then click on MCP. You will see instructions on how to connect it to Claude. Here is exactly how to do it. Copy the MCP URL provided, then go back to Claude, click on your profile, open settings, and click on connectors. From there, click on Add Custom Connector, enter the name as VidIQ, paste the MCP URL, and click Add. I already have it installed, so you will see it active on my screen. Once that is done, Claude now has live access to real YouTube data through VidIQ, and that changes everything. Now this is where everything gets interesting, because I am going to walk you through 4 stages to use Claude AI the right way, from niche research all the way to uploading your first video proven to go viral. When you learn how to prompt Claude properly, it becomes a research partner that thinks through your niche with you, analyses trends, helps you build keyword strategies, and does in minutes what would take you hours to figure out on your own. Pair that with VidIQ's live data, and you have a genuinely unfair advantage on YouTube right now. The first stage is niche research. Whether you are brand new to YouTube or you want to launch a second channel but are not sure which niche is actually growing right now, Claude can do that research for you completely. This is the master prompt I will paste into Claude. I have left all 4 prompts used in this tutorial in the description below, so you can copy and use them directly. Once I paste the prompt, I either enter a specific niche I have in mind or leave it open to let Claude surface the fastest growing niches across different categories. The research criteria in the prompt tells Claude to find channels that are less than 1 year old, have under 50,000 subscribers, and have at least one video with over 1 million views. It then asks Claude to find between 5 and 10 of those channels, rank them from the highest view count downward, and analyze their viral hooks, thumbnail styles, video structure, posting frequency, and emotional triggers. After all of that analysis, the prompt asks Claude to build a brand new channel launch kit by reverse engineering what is already working, including a unique brandable channel name, logo concept, SEO optimized channel description, target audience, core niche angle, 10 high viral video ideas, thumbnail style guide, upload strategy, and monetization path. Then I hit enter. Now watch what happens. Claude immediately uses the VidIQ integration to pull real-time backed data directly from YouTube. I gave ChatGPT this exact same prompt before making this switch, and it immediately admitted it could not reliably provide up-to-date YouTube information. That is one of the main reasons people act on outdated information that simply does not work anymore. It is also the main reason I switched to Claude permanently. With Claude and VidIQ connected, you get accurate and real-time YouTube data every single time. Looking at the results for the dog niche, The number one ranked channel is called Daydubs with 30,400 subscribers. It switched to this niche in 2024, has only 27 videos, but its viral video is getting around 52,000 views per hour and has accumulated 38.3 million views total. Claude also provides a direct link to that viral video. When I open it on YouTube, you can see it has 38 million views. An Outlier score of 100 was posted just 9 days ago and is averaging 25,000 views per hour. The channel itself clearly shows 30,000 subscribers and 27 videos. The data Claude provided is 100% accurate, something ChatGPT simply cannot do. All 10 channels are ranked the same way, and you can explore each one without spending hours scrolling through YouTube manually. You also get the average breakout score, subscriber growth percentage, and short video length patterns. One channel in the results has grown 15,000 subscribers in only 2 weeks. When I visited on YouTube, you can see it was created on the 16th of April this year, is literally 2 weeks old, has over 15,000 subscribers, 2.7 million views, and its top viral short has 1.1 million views, exactly as Claude stated. Claude then breaks down the common viral hooks, thumbnail formulas that are working, emotional triggers behind each format, and posting frequency patterns across all 10 channels. Once you have studied the channels and the formats, you now have everything you need to create your own channel and reverse engineer what is proven to work instead of starting from scratch. The launch kit Claude builds for you covers every single thing you need for day one. This stage alone gives your channel a foundation built on real direction, not guesswork. This second stage is for you if you already have a YouTube channel, but keep getting stuck on what to post next. Instead of guessing, you are going to let Claude do deep research and surface the exact video topics that are outperforming everything else in your niche right now. This is the second prompt I am pasting into Claude, and just like the first one, it is in the description below so you can copy it directly. The prompt asks Claude to look at my channel, which is focused on how-to tutorials about AI tools, and find current trending video topics that are performing exceptionally well in that niche. It then asks Claude to suggest 10 outlier video ideas I should be making content about. An outlier, in simple terms, is a video that is getting significantly more views than the typical videos on the same channel. For each idea, the prompt asks Claude to give me the full video concept, why the topic is trending right now, the search volume, and the best video format to use. After sending the prompt, Claude returns 10 outlier video ideas backed by real VidIQ data, and this is the secret formula I personally use every single time I sit down to plan my content calendar. Since my channel covers AI tool tutorials, the topics Claude surfaces are already categorized for me. These are labeled as viral proven signals, meaning they are already on fire. Rising fast, meaning they represent an early opportunity window where competition is still low, but search demand is climbing. And suggest a content gap, meaning a large number of people are actively searching for this information, but very few creators have made a quality video about it yet. The first hot topic Claude identifies for my niche is using Claude Code completely for free through Llama. It comes with an average channel breakout score of 257, and Claude shows me that a channel with 55,000 subscribers posted a video on this exact topic and pulled 264,000 views. It also explains in detail why this topic is going viral right now, so I understand the timing and the opportunity before I even start filming. Claude continues down the list and gives you all 10 ideas in the same format, each one proven by real data and explained with enough context that you know exactly why it is worth making. If you are a small YouTuber watching this right now, you just got handed a method that some creators are already using quietly to go viral in 2026 with very little guesswork. Once Claude gives you this list, open a Google Doc and save every single idea, because that list is your content blueprint for the next several weeks, and it is built entirely on data, not luck. Once you have saved your video topics from stage 2, this third stage takes each of those ideas and expands them into a fully optimized structure designed to win the YouTube algorithm before you even press record. This is the third prompt, and again it is in the description below. I am going to take the #1 ranked topic from the previous stage and paste it directly into the prompt. Claude should suggest 3 video title ideas, each scored out of 100 based on click-through rate potential, search volume, and keyword strength. It will also pick the top 2 titles for A/B testing and suggest 12 strong top-ranking keywords for the video. Then hit run. Here is something most creators never think about. One of the biggest reasons a video gets stuck at low views is not the content quality or even the editing. It is how the video is packaged. A strong title paired with the right keywords increases your search volume and pushes your video higher in YouTube rankings. To show you this is not just theory, I will open a separate YouTube account and search for how to clone a YouTube channel. You can see my video appearing right at the top of the search results with an average of 149 views per hour. The reason is simple. The search volume for that keyword is very high, but the competition is very low. That is the exact combination Claude helps you find every time. Back to Claude. It has now returned 3 strong titles for our selected topic. The first title scores 87 out of 100. Claude breaks that score down across 4 dimensions, which are the click-through hook, search volume alignment, emotional pull, and keyword strength, so you understand exactly why it ranks that high. The second title scores 78 and earns that score primarily because it targets the keywords with the highest monthly search volume. The third title rounds out the options with its own unique angle. Now you might be wondering why you need more than one title for the same video. This is for A/B testing. YouTube automatically tests different titles on your video with different audience segments, and over time recommends the version with the highest click-through rate. I have been using this method for a long time, and it consistently helps videos get more reach. A weak title can kill an entire video no matter how good the content is, but when you give YouTube 2 to 3 strong options to test, it finds the winner for you and pushes that version to more people. To prove that these topics are not just theoretical, I will copy this topic and search it directly on YouTube. Take a look at what comes up. One video on this topic was posted 2 months ago and has already pulled 333,000 views. Another one posted a month ago has 58,000 views. A third one uploaded just last week already has 16,000 views. The demand is real, the timing is right, and this works across any niche. This is exactly the kind of data-backed confirmation I look for before committing time to a video. From there, Claude gives you the full list of 12 top-ranking keywords. To give you one example, the keyword Claude Code alone carries a monthly search volume of 8.44 million, with high volume and low competition sitting side by side. For every keyword on the list, Claude provides the monthly search statistics, the overall opportunity score, and a clear explanation of why you should target it. So if you have been picking video ideas randomly, or posting videos that still sit at 20 views after a week, this stage is where you find out exactly what needs to change and how to fix it going forward. Now that we have proven video ideas with top-ranking keywords locked in, this fourth and final prompt brings everything together into a complete upload-ready structure. This prompt asks Claude to write a short but powerful video description under 200 words that tells both the YouTube algorithm and the viewer exactly what the video is about. It also asks for a pinned comment to post immediately after uploading, which signals active engagement to YouTube and encourages the algorithm to recommend the video to more people. Finally, it asks for a full video script outline that includes the intro hook, the problem the video solves, the promise to keep the viewer watching, the actual demo walkthrough, the proof, and a strong call to action at the end. The script outline is the foundation and framework your entire video is built on, so this part matters more than most creators realize. Go ahead and submit the prompt. Before we look at the results, I want to quickly mention something. I recently created a private community where I teach you from scratch how to create and run a faceless YouTube channel and monetize it within a few months using AI tools. The link is in the description below. It is a step-by-step system that actually works, not guesswork. Back to Claude. In just a few seconds, it has returned a fully optimized video description for the topic we chose, a ready-to-pin comment for the moment you upload, and a professional video script, complete with every section mapped out. The script opens with this hook: I canceled my $200 Claude subscription 6 weeks ago. I have used Claude Code every single day since. Here is the exact free setup. That one line stops the scroll immediately, because it challenges what most people assume about using Claude. From there, the script moves into the problem your viewer is facing. If you have ever had Claude stop mid-task because you hit a usage limit, this video is for you. Then comes the promise that convinces them to stay until the end. By the end of this video, you will have a working Claude Code setup running on local models through Llama, completely free, with no rate limits and no subscription. Claude even tells you which free models are actually worth using for coding, because most of them are not. After that, you get the full demo walkthrough, broken into clear teaching steps, followed by a strong call to action as the outro. Everything is already structured and ready to work from. What you need to do now is open a Google Doc, copy each section starting with the video title, and paste everything in so your content stays organized and you can start filming with a clear direction. Instead of spending hours scrolling YouTube or paying a lot of money for research and script writing tools, you just did all of that in a few minutes with Claude AI for completely free and with a workflow proven to produce results. If you want a full video walking you through how to go from this point all the way to recording, editing, and uploading the right way on YouTube, drop a comment below and I will make it happen. All 4 prompts used in this tutorial are in the description below. Copy them, connect VidIQ to Claude AI, and follow the 4 stages exactly as shown. Stop making videos nobody is searching for because the creators growing fast right now are not more talented than you. They just research better, and now you have the exact system they are using. If this video added value to you, subscribe because I break down tools and systems like this every week to help you grow faster and smarter. Drop a comment below and tell me what niche your channel is in because I read every single one, and your niche might just be the topic of my next video. Now go put this to work.